Vapers, today is all about vaping. I'll be reviewing the Liqua Qube. Liqua Qube. Now you know vaping is an act, it's a culture thing. It is a culture thing because you need all the help you can get to quit tobacco, the ash, and a host of other diseases caused by tobacco. And you know, with all that is going on the internet, the tobacco companies trying to snuff out the vaping communities kicking against it, it finally boils down to you, the vapor. How do you feel since you've been off tobacco? So let's get on with the review for Liqua Qube. Okay, vapors, now we have the Liqua Qube. We're going to unbox the Liqua Qube and see what the package contains.